Hi guys, in previous video we had discussed the first type of tissue system, that is epidermal tissue system. Now second, which we are going to start today, that is ground tissue system. Now what is ground tissue system? All the tissues except epidermal tissue and vascular tissues, all the tissues except the outermost epidermal tissue and vascular tissues are the, so all the remaining tissues are the part of what? Ground tissue system. So all tissues except epidermal tissues and vascular tissues form what? Form ground tissue system. Now ground tissue system consists of, let's see epidermal. Now epidermal system, yes, it is not the part of ground tissue system. Now hypodermis, it is made up of collenchyma, so it is a part of what? Ground tissue system. Then parenchymatous cells, that is cortex, that is also a part of ground tissue system. Pericycle, which is also made up of parenchyma, it is also the part of ground tissue system. Then medullary rays are also the part of ground tissue system, and the last one, that is pith, is also the part of ground tissue system. So let us consider ground tissue system. The first one, that is parenchyma. Okay, parenchyma is present in which all parts? Let us consider cortex. So cortex is made up of parenchyma. Then pericycle is made up of parenchyma. Then medullary rays are also made up of parenchyma. And the last one, pith, is also made up of parenchymatous cells. Okay, so this all are the part of what? Ground tissue system. Now what remains is hypodermis. Now hypodermis is made up of what? Collenchymatous cells. Okay, so second part of the ground tissue system is collenchymatous cells. Okay, collenchyma is present in what? Hypodermis. Now in some cases hypodermis is made up of sclerenchyma. So third one is sclerenchyma. Okay, so it is also the part of what? Ground tissue system. So ground tissue system includes parenchymatous cells present in cortex, pericycle, medullary rays and pith. Then next is collenchyma and sclerenchyma present in hypodermis. Okay, so that is it about ground tissue system. You have to remember the definition and where all this ground tissue system is present. All the tissues except epidermal tissue and vascular tissues are all the part of what? Ground tissue system. I hope you guys have understood ground tissue system. In next video we are going to discuss the third type of tissue system, that is vascular tissue system. So do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.